Here are the triangle trend indicators for NinjaTrader on 8/24/2015 on the ES4 Renko. I went short on this bar right here after this down arrow came in. All the indicators were red and moving down at this point. This is much later in the day than I usually trade, but I wanted to wait for some of the volatility to settle down a little bit before I try to trade. Got out of this trade right here for 5 points. I can't say this was the trade of the day. It was just a trade I managed to make today that was profitable in the midst of a day full of electronic high frequency trading.